used to stay up talking until 2 a.m. Just a couple kids, young and carefree. That was back when both of us could still sleep in. It's funny how it feels like ancient history. We'd listen to old records in our living room. Turn it up and feel the wood floor shaking. We didn't know how quickly we would trade that tune for the sound of lullabies and babies. Ooh, it's a new normal. Change is coming to the old routine. Same dream. We brought her home when she was only 2 weeks old. Questions and confusion started swirling. We didn't know how much that extra chromosome would become an unexpected blessing. Ooh, it's a new normal. Change is coming to the old routine. Ooh, it's a new normal. A different season but the same dream. When I look back, I see all these changes are changing me. And every day I'm learning how to love. And I'm hoping that becomes my new normal. Change is coming to the old routine. Ooh, it's a new normal. A different season, but the same old dream. Ooh, it's a new normal. Change is coming to the old routine. Ooh, it's a new normal. A different season, but the same dream. When I hold you in my arms, love, something changes. It's the strangest feeling. The things that used to matter, they don't matter to me. When I see you and you're smiling, how my heart aches, so full it is about to break. You make me believe in love. I could never count all the ways that you change me, baby. Every day the sky is a deeper shade of blue. When I'm with you, when I hear you and you're crying, it resonates, dear, in a place I didn't know was there. You make me believe in love. I could never